So you will increase your portfolio to 25% if you get these stocks before 2025 runs out. Now here is the big thing. There are stocks that you need to buy. Why should you buy them? One of the factors that you must check when you are buying a particular stock is the 52 weeks range. 52 weeks, either the lower range or the increment range. Here is the thing: when you are buying a stock, you buy them when they are undervalued, not when they are overvalued. When you buy a stock at overvalued range, it means you are paying a premium. But when you are buying at undervalued range, you are actually buying at the right spot. But don't forget that you need to buy growing stocks, valuable stocks that have good structure, very good cash flow, and the health status of the company. What does the company serve? What is the solution that they bring into the market? So one of those stocks that you need to buy that can make you 25% profit before 2025 runs out is CoreWeave. CoreWeave just released their annual report over some few days, I think just last 4 days, and it is currently trading 33.52% lower. That is 52 weeks lower, when it's supposed to be trading around 187%. But right now it's trading 32 or 33%. And then when you take the range, the growth range, you also see that from $102, it has dropped to $94. So I will also go ahead and check one of the forecasts why you should get this particular stock right now. On the average, CoreWeave will make at least $121 before the market runs out. That is at all. Otherwise, the maximum range is $180, which of course this stock has actually touched down this particular range because it was listed on the 28th of March 2025 this year. So it's still a very virgin stock. For you, those of you who have been following me on my platform, you know that in 2024 I listed Palantir when it was trading around $24, $23, $30, $44 and thereabout. But right now Palantir is trading around $181. That is growth. So if you are really following, make sure you watch this video till the end. Again, another stock that you also buy that can give you that maximum 25% before the year runs out is APLD. APLD just entered into partnership with CoreWeave. So I'm going to be checking. Yeah, APLD is another stock that you should consider into your portfolio that will fetch you this kind of growth. And one more stock that you need to also consider is SoFi. SoFi is into financial institution. They provide financial services to both student loans, different infrastructure. And right now they have entered into, enterprise. So companies or small businesses do now take loans from them and they can now service their businesses. So this stock has also gained another support from Warren Buffett. So when you are buying, you should buy because of the kind of fundamentals of this kind of company. And right now it is trading 3.01% lower. That is 52 week lower, as against 15% higher. Is trading 3%. So that shows you that when the stock is going to pick up, it will definitely hit $40, $45. That is approximately the focus of this particular company. So get it into your portfolio. I also have QUBT. QUBT is another amazing stock that you should consider. QUBT, if you really want to make 20% before 2025 runs out, these are stocks that you should consider adding to your portfolio. Yeah, QUBT is an amazing stock that just released their earnings last week here and is currently trading at $15. Yes, and on the average, it will definitely touch $18 because it has passed $18 before. And then on the maximum, $22. So if you're buying this stock, you buy it because what the forecast is showing that you should buy strongly. So these are stocks that can give you that kind of portfolio growth. And then I also have another stock that you should consider, that is C3AI. C3AI is currently trading approximately below the intrinsic value. That is, it is undervalued. And right now, its 52-week low is $14.70% as against 45%. So if at all it gets back to 45 or 40%, its 52-week growth range, mean you would have made much about your investment. So consider this particular stock into your radar. And last but not least is FIG, that is Figma. Figma just listed their stock in the stock market. They have been a very good company all the while, but it just listed the stock in the financial market, that is the New York Stock Exchange, on the 28th July of 2025. So it is just new and is currently trading 76% below its 52-week price range, as against 142% growth range. So these are stocks that you should put into your radar, and then make sure that you are following, because right now the forecast is showing strong buy. It is strong buy. It is at the support level. The option is showing you support base that you can buy these stocks and add them to your radar. And don't forget that when you are buying any of this stock, you must have your own objective, investment objective. Either you want to make money quick, then you should be able to swing. You should be able to play some options, daily trade, to swing and make money. And one of those stocks that you use to do daily trade or swing has to do with stock like a Tesla. Yes, otherwise, if you are investing for the long-term growth, these stocks that I've listed for you are the stocks that you should add to your radar. So again, I said, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to do so. And if you watch this video, makes sense to you, make sure you watch the next video. Help this video to get at least 50 likes, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys.